And welcome back. This is part 3 of our S lesson. We are going to read some words from this book that begin with the sound S, like sun. Look at those S's. Those are different ways you might see S's, but the capital S and the lowercase s look the same. The only difference is that the capital S is taller than the lowercase s. You would see capital S's at the beginning of a sentence, the beginning of names, and the beginning of important places. Sun, socks. How many socks do you see? 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 socks. I see the toe of one of the socks. Socks. Sandwich. What do you think is on that sandwich? Maybe some turkey and some cheese and a tomato and lettuce. Sandwich. Ooh, have you ever seen one of those? That's called a seesaw. Seesaw. It's a neat word. Seeds. There are some seeds. What do you think they're going to grow? What fruit is that? Yes, watermelon. Those are watermelon seeds. Saw. The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And sun. All right, friends. Please find your S dictionary page in your envelope. It looks like this. And your crayons or colored pencils and a regular pencil. All right. The S starts below this one starts below the top line, up to the top line, swish, swish. This one starts a little below the dotted line, up to the dotted line, swish, swish. Let's draw the sun. I'm going to use yellow and orange to draw my sun because it is hot. Please draw a circle below your S. A circle. Now, inside my circle, I'm going to make some swirls in my circle. Swirls in my sun. Because I want to show that it's really, really, really hot. And I'm going to take my yellow and I'm going to color my sun yellow inside. Now I'm going to make some rays. Sometimes if you look closely, you can see the rays coming out of the sun in the sky. I'm going to add some yellow rays in between to make a pattern. My pattern is orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. It's an A-B pattern. Ah, beautiful. That is my sun. Let's write the word sun. How many syllables do you hear in sun? Sun. 1 syllable. Let's start with the beginning sound, the first sound. S, ah, n. S, ah, n. S, ah, n. Sun. we labeled the word sun. Let's also make a 7, the number 7. We could make 6 too. 6 and 7 both begin with S. Let's make 7. Pull to the right, pull down. And we'll kind of make it a bubble letter. So we'll make a little line down, a little line across just to there, down and across. And then color in your 7. Next to your 7, let's make 7 dots, just like they did in the book. Let me find the 7. Let's make 7 dots. They made a group of 3, another group of 3, and one more. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Are you recording?
5, 6, 7. 7 dots to go with our number 7. How many syllables do you hear in the word 7? Let's clap them. 7. 7. S, a, v. S, a, v. S, a, v. 7. A, n. A, n. A, n. 7. We labeled the word 7. We have S for sun and 7. And we could also add the number 6. Thank you for joining me today for our dictionary page. Please make sure you put your name on your page and you put it back in your envelope so that you can turn it into your classroom, and put all of your supplies back where they belong in your box. And we will see you tomorrow for one more letter lesson. Thank you.